in the stillness of the morning light. The whispers of the heavens take their flight. With every breath I sing in grace to honor the love in this holy space. Hallelujah, my heart proclaims. With every beat I lift His name. Praise God, let the angels soar in every moment forevermore. With harmony our spirits rise. In the grace of love we realize, when shadows gather and clouds draw near, I find my strength, I cast my fear. In trials faced, His hand I see, guiding my soul forever free. Praise be sung in every heart, from the very start, never apart.